Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can find wallpapers on TikTok and set them as your wallpaper. So go to the top right corner over here, these three lines, and I am going to go down, and as you can see, there is a wallpaper tab right here, and I have a few downloaded, but I can also click on find wallpapers and find the wallpapers I want. And you have to make sure you have also downloaded this app right here, TikTok video wallpaper. It'll show up if you click on the page I just did and go set wall picture, and this is it'll go to TikTok and the wallpaper that I have sort of downloaded. This is how you can download the wallpaper, by the way. So find wallpapers, and let's see which one I want. Maybe this panda one. Oh, that is adorable. And you're just going to want to click on the arrow right here, the share button, and go to set as wallpaper, and it'll automatically download the animated wallpaper for you. And you're just going to want to click set as wallpaper and click set wallpaper, and you can choose either home screen or home screen and lock screen. So I'm just going to do the home screen one to show you, and if I go home, the wallpaper will move. Can't really show it because there's a lot of apps here. And that is basically it. That's how you can download a wallpaper from TikTok and just easily set it as your wallpaper. That is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!